Hey guys, it's Dan from Montana with another review. This time we're reviewing Video Agency Studio. Um, what what this is now? We've all probably seen. I'm sure you've seen business models where the local marketing was that you make a video for like Bob's Plumbing, and then you put it on a domain name and you rank it, and then you try to sell that spot to Bob the plumber, or Memphis Plumbers or whatever. In video, you usually want to try to incorporate video with something like that because everybody loves video. 60, what is it, 60 some percent, almost 70% of people are more interested in videos than reading a newspaper anymore. So what having a video agency is you can create these videos for all these local markets, and they don't have to be in your local area. I mean, you can live in Houston and market to somebody in Atlanta City. I do it all the time with domain names, and the problem is though is that you've got to make so many videos, and you got to create them. And I don't know if you've ever created a video for a local market, or I mean a local market, but it's a pain in the butt. So that's one problem. The another problem is you have to build a website for to be a video marketer, an agency, to where businesses would come to you and say, hey, look, can you build me a video and then rank it for my keyword. So I mean, it's tedious. It's super hard to build a website. I mean, I put it off as long as possible, unless I'm making a lot of money doing it. But those are the two biggest problems: is making the video and making the website and tying them together and then marketing them. So Videos Agency Studio takes care of all of that. It has the fastest website builder I think there is. It's got pre-made templates for videos, and it's got Whiteboard. It's got all the stuff that you would normally have to tie in separately. You would have to get a different software for the whiteboard. You would have to get a different software for the animations. You would have to, use Camtasia or something for the live voiceovers, and then you have to hire an actor or an actress to be your spokesperson. Not with Video Agency Studio. So anyways, I'm just going to just show you some of this. I'm sure you've seen the website today. Like I said, I'm sure you got tons of emails and stuff like that. But real quick, I just want to show you the page builder part of it, which is pretty amazing. Sorry I keep looking side to side, but I've got two monitors going on right now. So anyways, we'll do a list. WordPress based websites installs in 2 minutes, multiple layout options, incredibly easy to edit. It really is. It's not like a normal pain in the butt. Built-in autoresponders, appointment scheduler, and the big thing that comes with this is the training on how to use this to actually make money and actually to have people coming to you to give you money. Because when you're doing this type of local marketing, you're not having to bang down doors and stuff like that. You put something out there, and usually you scatter some seeds, and people start calling you. They're gonna be like, hey, oh my god, this site is nice and it's awesome. Bob the plumber really needs one, and so that's what makes this super simple and easy. So here's a demo page. Just basically shows what can be done, and it's all customizable, all changeable, but there are tons of templates that make it super easy for you to do. And now here's the cool thing: all these examples and all of these that are customizable for different niches and different markets. And to be quite honest, $499 to sell a video is pretty cheap. I mean, for some custom videos, businesses snatch these up. And like I said, you don't have to live in the area where you're trying to sell these. It's all on the web. It's very nice. So that's why I highly recommend you get this, because if you ever thought about doing videos or local marketing or anything like that, it's not going to get any easier than this. With a page builder and all these pre-done templates and stuff, it's pretty awesome. Now on the regular sales page, there's a couple bonuses and stuff like that that come with, you know, buying it through here. And then I've got some bonuses for you also. Let me show you real quick, just some of these. There's as you with any product, there's OTOs. The first OTO is a video agency studio upgrade. It expands your studio with 3 additional website niches and 27 additional videos, and that's $37. The OTO 2, which is a one-time offer 2, which one-time offers anymore really do they exist? They're always in the back end where you can still buy them. So don't panic. You don't have to buy everything all at once. You can start with the front end offer and get going, and then add to it later. But anyways, the OTO 2 is a video agency studio marketing pack. It has a special set of squeeze pages, customizable squeeze videos, autoresponders, and more. And there's also a one-time offer 3, which is easy voicemail and lead generation system, which I recommend. Makes getting leads easy. You can get contact leads with an automated system that helps grow your client list. And then OTO 4 is easy video packs. It's increased the amount of videos that you can sell. Features a huge collection of customizable videos. Sorry, I just realized I didn't tell you the prices. OTO 2 is $37. OTO 3 is $67. And OTO 4 is $47. I definitely recommend OTO 3. Help with lead generation. So lead generation to me is kind of a bummer. So I automate it every chance I get. So it just makes it nice. So anyways, this is a demo video of a spokesperson from the front end. This is how some of the videos would look. This is just one. This is, like I said,
1/3 of all activity online is spent viewing videos, and that a potential customer.
So the OTO 4, you can do a lot more with.
If you are looking for new ways to succeed in affiliate marketing, then you're in the right.
These are just some of the videos that would be on your agency page. So you can put all that stuff on there. And
carpet. Perhaps you tried to clean it yourself and failed miserably. As the area's #1 carpet cleaning company, we're built on our customer satisfaction. Just look at
how much harder can that be? Okay, so anyways, that's the product, the OTOs. Oh, and then my bonuses that I'm going to be throwing in is blogging advice for beginners. I don't know if you've started a blog. If you haven't, shame on you. You need to. They're super easy to do. Effective content marketing, which goes hand in hand with blogging. Google Display Network hacks. How to drastically increase your traffic with Google Display. Bonus 4 is high profit blog secrets. I like this one. I picked up a couple tips and tricks in this one that I didn't even know about. Killer blogging conversion tips. If you're going to start a blog, which I recommend if you don't already have one, and if you do have one, this will help you learn how to get conversions, get people to sign up to your email and stuff like that. And if you don't have an email set up on your blog, another shame on you. You should always be collecting emails. And then my favorite one here, the chatbot revolution. I don't know if you guys heard much about chatbots, but learn the secrets to saving insane amounts of time and money by using chatbots. Very cool stuff. So anyways, all of these bonuses will be in the members area and be there for you to download. So that's it. That was my review for Video Agency Studio. And I hope you guys learned something and enjoyed it, and check it out. Somewhere around here there's a link to subscribe. I'm always constantly uploading how-to videos on this channel. I just started this channel not too long ago, so it's still new, but I will be uploading how-to videos on some ways to help teaching you guys how I do make money online. And there's no cost for that, just for being my subscribers. All right, thanks guys. Have a good day, and we'll see you later.